there's about another 40 minutes of shooting light left. It's foggy down in these woods. Been raining all day here. Seen a few doe come through, but nothing real good. This is my first time ever hunting out of this stand. I've never hunted it before. I'm not a big fan of where it's at because the there's a log road that comes around this ridge right here. Comes this way, but what I don't like about the stand, it's eye level with this little ridge that comes out in the field. Usually the deer don't come out this way towards me. They come around in this ridge and they go down, which I'm fine with whichever way they come out. I just want to see a deer this evening. Hopefully we'll get one before it gets too dark.